In this video, I'm going to review what I mentioned in class and how you could retrace this diagram to help you. Just some pointers I gave out in class. First thing I always tell you to do is take your transversals and color them different colors. Because to be an alternate interior, alternate exterior, consecutive interior, or corresponding angle, you must be on the same transversal. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to retrace each of my transversals with the parallel lines to make it a little bit more simple to look at. Okay, so this is my green transversal, and I'm going to label my points. And then I'm just going to put my endpoints here. I'm going to do the same thing with the yellow. So I've got B, A, U, N, P, C, W, F. Okay, some of you, this diagram is going to be more complicated for you. The original diagram, so this is an easier way. Some of you will be fine with the original diagram. If it's working for you, just go with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the first question, AUF, and they want the alternate interior angle. So if I go to this diagram, I don't even have a U in there, so it can't be on that diagram. So I'm going to go over here. Well, AUF is right there. What has to be alternate interior? It's on the other side right there, so that is angle CAU. If I'm following my original diagram, AUF is here, so it has to be on the yellow. CAU is there. It has to go yellow. So it's just I'm just pretending like that green is not there. I'm going to take away my markings, and I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, consecutive interior of WEA. WEA is in this diagram. It is on my green line. So it is right there. I want consecutive interior, so I want the same side in between the lines, which is this angle right here. So angle CAE. Remember that middle letter has to be the vertex. So I want a smaller eraser. Sorry, technical difficulties or difficulties with the smartboard. Okay, number 3, corresponding of TAP. Well, where is my T? T is on the green line, so I'm going to go over here. That is that angle right there. TAP, corresponding means it's in the same position. So it's above this line to the right of the transversal. It's got to be that angle, which is angle AEF. Okay. Next, alternate exterior of TAP. Well, that's that same angle again. I want the other side of the transversal outside. That is angle WED. Hopefully sketching off to the side will help some of you. You also just need to make flashcards or a Quizlet and memorize what the relationships are, how to identify where things go. The last problem, the corresponding angle of DEW. Okay, D is on the green line. DEW is right there. Corresponding, same position. So I'm going to go to my other parallel line, and it's going to be an exact same spot. That is angle CAE. And we can do this with our problems that involve numbers as well. First thing I always want to do when they give me a picture is label what they give me. BAT is 55. TAP is 75. So you've got 3 angles that add to 180 here. So I need to find angle CAB first. So I do 180 minus 75 minus 55, and I get 50. Well, I can again sketch my pictures. Got B, A, U, N. Of course, you always want to color your transversals different colors so that you can keep it straight. I'm going to put my endpoints. The yellow line has T, A, E, D. I label my parallel lines again. Now I can go fill in. Well, BAC is 50. TAP is 75. Notice I don't even have BAT because that is formed from two transversals, so it's not going to be in my little diagrams off to the side. Now I'm going to go to these, and I'm going to mark my alternate exterior angles. Then I'm going to mark my linear pairs. That has to be 130. You could mark them all if you wanted to in this picture. These have to be 105 because these are supplementary. Now you can go answer your questions. So WEA is there. That's 105. WED, 75. AUE. AUE is on the green. AUE. Now notice, I don't have an E on the green. But if I look at my picture, AUE and AUW are the same angle. So AUW is 50 degrees. AUF, that's on the green, that's 130. This is just a way to break down the complicated diagram and make it a little bit easier for you.